Switch my plans, girl, I'm sorry I had to trouble you. Mama always told me I was fresh and I was troublesome. Flipping on my M's, had to turn them into W's. Always been a single man, but nowadays a double up. Switch my plans, girl, I'm sorry I had to trouble you. Mama always told me I was fresh and I was troublesome. Flipping on my M's, had to turn them into W's. Always been a single man, but nowadays a double up. Switch it, good. Switch it, good. Switch it, good.
Always been a single man, but nowadays a double up.
I just doubled up my pen game, baby. Ay, it's funny how I do this with no end game, baby. Used to pull up to the function, they like, who be you? Now with women on both arms, a two-piece suit, you heard? Okay, let me turn it down. That's the opposite of ladies when I throw it down. I be steady ballin' nothing, so I roll around. And if you doubted me then, well shit, you know it now, yeah. How many styles I got, for real? I'm always spicing the pot, for real. I throw the ice when it's hot, for real. I give it all that I got, for real.
Switch my plans, girl, I'm sorry I had to trouble you. Mama always told me I was fresh and I was troublesome. Flipping on my M's, had to turn them into W's. Always been a single man, but nowadays a double up. Switch my plans, girl, I'm sorry I had to trouble you. Mama always told me I was fresh and I was troublesome. Flipping on my M's, had to turn them into W's. Always been a single man, but nowadays a double up. Switch it, good. Switch it, good. Switch it, good.
Hey, J. Ray, your new boyfriend looking like a bitch. See my ex downgrade him while I'm about to get rich. Goddamn, I know it's immature to talk shit. I get paid to make hits, you won't ever see me miss. Like nah, fuck it, shorty just wanna drop it. I doubled up my profit, if I see it then I cop it. I'm steady with the content, nothing is gonna change. Got a new fit and a fresh cut fade. Ayy, gotta switch it up, I can never do the same shit. Little form beauty but we using body language. Baddie hit me up, said she graduated Cambridge. Say she not a fan, baby, you don't gotta fake it, ooh.